Hi, friends. I'm so sorry I cannot be with you there today, but I'm so happy that I get to do math with you again like we did last time. So, as you can see on our screen, we have a problem to do together. All right, let's see. It says, Tim had 10 friends. Draw his friends. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and draw them. 1. I know you love my drawings. 2. 3, 4, 5, let's see, another friend here, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now we have Tim's 10 friends drawn. Tim had 7 oranges. He wanted to give an orange to each of his friends. Does he have enough? No, Tim does not have enough oranges because 10 is more than 7. Now it says, draw his 7 oranges. All right, let's see, what color should I make the oranges? Let's go with a rainbow color, just to make it fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See? I don't have enough oranges for each of my friends to get an orange. How many more oranges do I need so that everyone can have an orange? 3, you're right. Now, let's draw more oranges so that there are enough for all of his friends. 1, 2, 3. Circle the new oranges. All right, so let's go back to black. The new ones are here. How many more oranges did he need? We already know. He needed 3 more oranges. All right, friends, I'll be back in just a minute to go through our concept development for the day.